My name is David Henry. I'm the production supervisor for the weld department and other areas in the shop. This station right here is our robot welder. It has a multi-function table on it that will rotate around. This is a MIG and TIG station. A welder will bring in different parts and do different processes with it here. This is our laser welding station. It does all different kinds of welds. Stainless, aluminum. It's basically like a TIG welder, but it's a lot faster and cleaner. You've seen all our stations. We've done boom trucks, lift trucks, air conditioning unit type stuff, and server racks and glass boards that go into office buildings and hospitals.